Hello everyone, welcome to Aeromechanology channel. Today's topic is design guidelines for aircraft cabin interiors galley. Designing an aircraft galley requires a balance between safety, functionality, and efficient use of space. Below are key guidelines with specific focus on practicality, safety, and regulatory compliance. 1. Space optimization. Modular configuration. Galleys should use a modular design to maximize flexibility. Modular components allow airlines to reconfigure equipment based on flight needs, such as more storage for long-haul flights or increased beverage stations for short-haul operations. Compact storage solutions. Vertical and compact storage systems should be incorporated to ensure maximum use of limited space. Overhead storage compartments and built-in shelves can optimize space for trays, meal carts, and utensils. 2. Ergonomics. Minimize movement. The galley layout should be designed to minimize unnecessary movements by crew members. Frequently used items, such as coffee makers and ovens, should be easily accessible, ideally within an ergonomic work triangle to improve efficiency. Height consideration. Workstations should be designed at appropriate heights for easy reach, reducing the need for bending or stretching. Items like storage compartments and waste bins should be positioned at comfortable heights to avoid crew strain. Safety considerations are paramount. First, secure equipment. All equipment and storage units must be securely fastened to prevent movement during turbulence. Latches, locks, and restraints should be designed to keep items like meal carts and utensils from shifting. Fire prevention is also critical. Galley materials should be fire resistant, and equipment like ovens must have safety features such as auto shutoffs and temperature controls. Additionally, fire extinguishers must be easily accessible. Now, let's talk about durability and materials. Lightweight construction is key. The galley should be constructed from lightweight, high-strength materials like aluminum and composites to reduce aircraft weight without compromising durability. It's also important the surfaces are easy to clean. They should be smooth, non-porous, and resistant to stains and scratches to allow for easy cleaning. Stainless steel is often used for this purpose, offering both hygiene and longevity. Moving on to functionality and equipment integration. Efficient meal prep is essential. Galleys must include compact, energy-efficient appliances such as convection ovens, coffee machines, and refrigeration units. These should be arranged to allow for efficient meal preparation and beverage service. Waste management is another critical aspect. Built-in waste bins and compactors are essential for managing trash and recyclables. This feature helps maintain a clean workspace and ensures that waste is properly contained during flight. Compliance with aviation regulations. Certification. Galleys must comply with aviation safety standards set by regulatory bodies like the FAA and EASA. These regulations cover fire safety, weight restrictions, and crash worthiness. Passenger comfort. Galley design must also take into account noise reduction and ensure that galley placement does not interfere with passenger movement or comfort in the cabin. Accessibility and usability, ease of use. Controls on galley equipment should be intuitive, with clear labeling and simple functionality. This ensures that the crew can operate appliances even during low light conditions or turbulence. Lighting. Adequate lighting is essential for meal preparation and safety. A combination of overhead lighting and task lighting should be used to illuminate workspaces effectively. Noise reduction. Soundproofing. Soundproofing materials should be used to minimize the noise generated by galley operations, ensuring a quieter environment for passengers. Quiet appliances. Where possible, use appliances with noise reduction features to limit disturbance in the cabin. Weight and balance. Optimized placement. Galleys should be strategically placed to maintain the aircraft's balance and center of gravity. Typically, they are located near exits or bulkheads to distribute weight evenly and ensure easy access for the crew. Example: a long-haul aircraft like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner may have a galley configured with modular storage units to accommodate both meal service and extra drink supplies. To optimize space, overhead compartments are used to store lighter items such as trays, while meal carts are stored at waist level for easy access during flight. Additionally, energy efficient ovens are installed to prepare meals while maintaining low power consumption, contributing to the overall operational efficiency of the aircraft. This approach to galley design enhances operational efficiency, safety, and crew ergonomics, ensuring smooth service and regulatory compliance in the confined space of an aircraft. Conclusion: the design of an aircraft galley is crucial for efficient service crew, comfort, and safety. It must strike a balance between functionality, safety, and optimization of space while adhering to aviation regulations. Manufacturers and designers need to continuously innovate to create solutions that meet the evolving needs of airlines and their passengers. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Happy learning.